Hi, second graders. This math video is for you today. Today we're going to be talking about multiplying by 2. Yesterday we talked about multiplying by 5. And I hope that you made your clocks, and I hope it'll help you practice your multiplying by 5 facts. So today we're talking about multiplying by 2. All right, friends, can you count with me by 2s? Just start counting with me by 2s. Are you ready? Here we go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Good, and we can keep going all the way up, but we're going to stop right there for today. So friends, I have some examples to share with you today because today we're talking about multiplying by 2. Or you might also hear the word times by 2. Or it might be written this. This is the same symbol. All right, friends. Now I want to tell you that this symbol right here means equal groups. What does this mean? Equal groups. You're right. It means equal groups. So let's see. If I have the number and I want to go 2 times 1. Okay. So this means that I have 2 groups. I have 2 equal groups with 1 in them. So let's draw that out. How many groups do I have? You're right, I have 2 groups, so I'm going to put my circle. 1 and 2. Okay, and this means equal groups. How many are in my groups? You're right, 1 is in each one of my groups. So there's 1 there, and there's 1 there. So how many do I have? You're right, I have 2. You're right, and let me show you a special trick. Whenever you multiply by 1, it makes this number stay the same. So 2 times 1 equals 2. Because I have 2 equal groups with 1 in them. So now I can count them up and I have 1, 2. All right, let's erase this one. And let's see if we can come up with another one. Here we go. Now let's try 2 times 2. Let's figure that out. Well, remember this means equal groups of. How many groups do I have? Okay, I have 2, so let's get my 2 groups. There's 1 group, and there's 2 groups, and I want to see how many there are. So I have 2 equal groups of 2. You're right. So in each group, I'm going to have 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Now I've drawn those out. So now let's see. I can count all those up, and that's how I'm going to get my answer because I have 2 equal groups with 2 in them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I know that 2 equal groups with 2 in them equals 4. All right, let's try one more. I'm going to leave my circles here and just erase these. And let's try this one. Let's go to 2 times 3, friends. 2 times 3, we're going to try one more, and then I want to see if you can do them on your own. So how many groups do I have? You're right, I have 2 groups, 2 equal groups. And how many items do I have in each group? You're right, I have 3. So this time I'm going to draw X's. 1, 2, 3. And then I got to do it over here because I know I have 2 groups. 1, 2, 3. So 2 equal groups of 3. And then I know I can count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I know that my answer to 2 times 3 is 6. All right, let's have you try this next one. Are you ready? Let's try 2 times 4. 2 times 4. What does that mean? Well, I know that I have 2 equal groups with 4 in each of them. So I'm going to draw that out. Okay, now I can just add them up. And I know, oh, wait a minute. I know that 4 plus 4 is 8. So I know my answer is 8. All right, last one you're going to try on your own today. Ready? Last one you're going to try right now. Here we go. Let's make it a little tricky. Ooh, 2 times 7. Let's see, how would I solve that? You're right, I have 2 groups, so I'm going to draw 2 circles because I have 2 equal groups. And how many do I have in them each? You're right, I have 7, so I'm going to draw, let's draw lines this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Does it really matter what you draw? Nope, it doesn't. You can draw whatever you want in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here's my 2 equal groups, and they each have 7 in them. Okay, here we go. Now, if I have 7 in this one and 7 in this one, let's count. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But I'm not done yet because I have my second group. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I have 14, so I know that 2 times 7 equals 14. You're right. So today, friends, I have a challenge for you. Are you ready for my challenge? Okay, I thought maybe you would be. Now, it's almost Easter time, so I have some extra Easter eggs laying around my house. So we're going to use them to play a little game today. Let me get all my Easter eggs out. Here, well, let me show you my Easter eggs. Give me 1 second. Okay, so here's my Easter eggs. Wait a minute. You see multiplication facts on them? You are so right, my friends. I want you to make your own multiplication game. Okay, so here's how this works. You're going to write on the outside of your Easter eggs, and you're going to write 2 times 1. Okay, then what you're going to do is you are going to hide these Easter eggs around your house or outside. It's supposed to be really nice today. And then go around, hide these eggs, and find one and pick it up. And when you find it, you're going to look on the front and you're going to say 2 times 1. Well, I know I have 2 equal groups with 1 in them. And I remember that anything times 1 is always the same number. So my answer is 2. And then I want you to open up that Easter egg. And there's nothing inside. Well, guess what I want you to do? I want you to make your groups inside the egg. And then I want you to see if you're right. All right, my friends. So I've got all kinds there. I think I've done up to 12 today. So, friends, I want you to play hide and seek multiplication Easter egg and have fun. And I'll be back tomorrow to teach you more multiplication. Bye.